Hello everybody, this is Dr. O. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do basic statistical analysis with data analysis tool in Excel. I advise you to read summary statistics notes before watching this video. It's important that you know how to interpret the basic statistical analysis. Since in this video, the emphasis will be on how to do statistical analysis with Excel rather than how to interpret the numbers. To find the data analysis tool, click on the Data tab in the ribbon. Go over to the right and you'll see the data analysis there. And this will bring up a box where we can pick a few different options like descriptive statistics. On the screen, I have a set of data for 15 houses which shows their land value, land size, the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the age of the property, and whether the house has a fireplace or not. Now we will use this data to calculate some descriptive statistics like the mean, median, mode, range with data analysis tool. I'll show you how to calculate these basic statistics for the property values. Let's click on the data analysis, then click on the descriptive statistics, and then click OK. We have this box appearing. The input data is the data we want to calculate the basic statistics. So we select the value data for all properties in our sample. Then we click on labels because we have a label in our first row. Then for output range, click on an empty cell. This is where the output of our calculation will come out. And then click on the summary statistics and then hit OK. Here we go. We have got our output, the median, mean, standard error, range, and others. I'll now show you how to calculate and interpret the confidence level for the mean. In this example, we estimate confidence level of the mean of age of properties. We click on data analysis, then descriptive statistics. We are going to click and select all the property ages. And we'll click on label because we have a label in the first row. Then the output range, we want to put it in an empty cell where it's visible. Then click on summary statistics and confidence level for the mean. We choose as 95% confidence level. You can also adjust the confidence level if you want. Click OK, and here is the output. I have prepared a second tab that consists of output. Now we are interested in the population mean and also the confidence level, which will help us to find out what our 95% confidence interval for the age of property is. As you can see here, I have the mean and the confidence level. The mean is 15.57 years plus or minus our confidence level, which is 5.06. That gives us the following answer. The population mean is between 12.5 and 22.64. Thus, we are 95% confident that average age of a house is going to be between 12.5 and 22.64 years old. This completes the tutorial, and thank you for watching.